అలాగే దామోదర్ రెడ్డి కుంబాల గారిని సవినయంగా వేదిక మీదకి ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాము. డాక్టర్ దామోదర్ రెడ్డి కుంబాల గారు. దామోదర్ రెడ్డి కుంబాల గారు.
Gautam Goli garu, please come on the stage. And Mahendra Musku from New Jersey, please come on the stage. Gautam Goli from Atlanta.
Slide, please. Dr. Damodar Reddy Kumbala.
Dr. Kumbala is an accomplished interventional nephrologist with a focus on clinical excellence and humanitarian endeavors. He volunteered several efforts in India, including sharing medical techniques, distributing supplies, and involvement in healthcare institutions. He is also appointed as a visiting professor at AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Rishikesh, and BLD Medical College. Thank you for joining us today, Dr. Kumbala garu. We're lucky to have you here.
Thank you very much, sir. Our next awardee, Ravi Venigalla, Excellence in Community Service. Ravi Venigalla గారిని సాధారణంగా వేదిక మీదకి ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాము. Slide, please. Excellence in Community Service Award goes to Ravi Venigalla. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and please welcome Ravi Venigalla garu.
Ravi Venigalla garu is a founder and director of Chetna Foundation. He has dedicated over a decade of humanitarian philanthropy and contributions to food drives, healthcare and education, established healthcare facilities, temples, and community facilities in Telangana. He is recognized for his excellent service during COVID-19. Thank you, Ravi garu, for joining today.
Thank you very much, sir. Ravi Venigalla garu, Excellence in Community Service. And next award goes to a local Bala Narayana garu. Bala Narayana గారిని వేదిక మీదకి రావాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నాము. Please come on to the dais, Bala Narayana garu. Excellence in Community Service.
Bala Narayana garu is the local community hero and he is recognized pretty much by every local Telugu and national organization. He is actively serving Indian and local community in Atlanta for over a decade. He is a life member and volunteer at numerous national and local organizations. And
Anil Bodreddy garu, please come on the stage. Anil Bodreddy garu, please come on the stage. Sridhar Tirupati, please come on the stage. Coordinator Sridhar Tirupati garu, please come on the stage.
Our next award goes to Hemachandra Rappa, Excellence Award in Sports. Hemachandra గారిని వేదిక మీదకి రావాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నాం. హేమచంద్ర గారు.
Hemachandra Ramba. He is a young prodigy and he began his chess journey at age 6 and he is a national master title holder in chess. He achieved 8 Tennessee state championships and 9 national city championships. Thank you for joining Emma here today. Look forward to be the chess hero one day. Thank you for everybody for sharing with us and sparing your time. It's not been an easy effort, and of course, there are a lot more people who deserve an award and a recognition. But we have limited time and resources to recognize, and we look forward to recognizing more people in future. Thank you.
I would like to invite Rangara Sundara garu on the stage. He's the founder of Sai Temple and he is a spiritual leader. I want to invite Rangara Sundara garu on the stage. We also invite Gayatri Punyala on the stage, please.
KK Reddy garu, please. KK Reddy garu, please come on the stage.
We invite KK Reddy garu on the stage, please.
All right, go on.
We have సర్వీస్ అవార్డ్స్ నౌ సర్వీస్ అవార్డ్స్ ని ముందుకు తీసుకెళ్తూ దీనికి అతిథిగా వేదిక మీదకి రావాల్సిందిగా నాయన్ రాజేందర్ రెడ్డి గారిని ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాను. ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ హిమ్ టు ప్లీజ్ కమ్ టు ది స్టేజ్. నాయన్ రాజేందర్ రెడ్డి గారు ఈజ్ మెంబర్ ఆఫ్ లెజిస్లేటివ్ అసెంబ్లీ. పటేల్ రమేష్ రెడ్డి గారు వారిని సాధారణంగా వేదిక మీద ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాను. నాయన్ రాజేందర్ రెడ్డి గారు, పటేల్ రమేష్ రెడ్డి గారు, జి మధుసూదన్ రెడ్డి గారు దేవరకొండ ఎమ్మెల్యే, వారిని సాధారణంగా ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాను. I request ATA Executive Committee President Madhu Bommineni garu, President elect Jane Challa garu, Secretary Ramakrishna Reddy Ala garu, Joint Secretary Tirupati Reddy Eram Reddy garu, Treasurer Satish Reddy garu, Joint Treasurer Ravinder Guduru garu, Executive Director Hari Lingala garu, and past President Bhuvanesh Punyala garu. I request all the names what I announced to be on stage. But also, I'm going to make an announcement for ATA advisors also.